Faced with a compact lot, today's house blends Indonesia's vernacular architecture with contemporary construction technologies to meet the demands of modern living. In the rice barn house, elements of the lumbung padi were incorporated and reinterpreted using modern materials. Topped by a trapezoidal prism roof, the shape of the house was inspired by the lumbung padi, a type of rice barn typically elevated on 4 columns with a floor raised about 2 meters above the ground. Characterized by 2 levels, these barns feature contrasting spatial qualities: an open pavilion on the ground floor and enclosed private spaces above. Following this reference, K-Thengono Design Studio organized the home's 3 levels with distinct spatial characteristics. Access to the main floor is through an external staircase that leads to an open-plan kitchen, living, and dining area. This level is enclosed by frameless sliding doors that blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor environments. Surrounded by continuous terraces and vegetation, the social core of the house echoes the openness of the lumbung padi. These features also support natural ventilation, allowing fresh air to flow through and cool the interiors. The gambrel roof of the rice barn was reinterpreted as a trapezoidal prism that houses the bedrooms and private bathrooms. At the center of the roof, a circular skylight brings in natural light, while the slanted walls are punctuated with openings that encourage cross-ventilation. This upper level, connected by a central spiral staircase, accommodates all the private areas. Built on a compact site, the ground floor contains a two-car garage and other support spaces that serve the living areas above.